Hello there, I'm Zoe Clarke, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. Thanks for joining me to learn how to manage multiple sites in RosterElf. Creating sites lets you separate locations or departments for clearer rosters, budgets, and reporting. Let's get started. How to set up sites for each location. Log into your RosterElf account. Select sites located in the top menu. Click Add New Site and enter the location name, such as Brisbane Store or Sydney Warehouse. Press Save to create the site, then repeat for every physical location you need to manage separately. How to create department-based sites. Stay in the Sites section under Settings. Click Add New Site and name the site after a department like Reception, Kitchen, or Back of House. Press Save, so each department has its own roster space, even if they share the same address. Repeat the process for every department you want to track independently. How to keep your sites organized. Review your list of sites regularly to ensure each one still matches your operational structure. Archive or rename any site that no longer reflects a current location or department. Use clear, consistent naming so staff always know where they are scheduled to work. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is here 7 days a week. Happy rostering!